Affin Islamic Bank are operating in accordance with the tenet of Islamic finance and maintaining Sharia compliance in all products and services. The bank also committed to offering products and services that meet the needs of customers, business and institutions. Affin Islamic Bank are designed to be Sharia compliant, debt-free from interest or riba. The bank also offers digital solutions, technology to enhance customer experience and cater the evolving needs of the modern world. This bank is a brilliant example of how to promote financial well-being in line with Sharia law and still achieve both material success and moral accountability in the banking industry.
Hello, my friends and my beloved lecturer. My name is Wanavana Bendiwan Zaharuddin. I'm going to present about saving accounts for Affin Islamic Bank. For me, saving account is a place that individuals can keep their money or any saving into the bank. It can be described as the safest place to put our money. Then, Affin Islamic Bank has introduced their saving account, which is called as Affin Islamic Saving Account I. Affin Islamic Saving Account I also implements some Sharia complement. But
Affin Islamic Bank commitment to provide Sharia-compliant financial solutions for its diverse customers is demonstrated by the Affin Islamic Foreign Currency Term Deposit I account. Example benefit of Affin Islamic Foreign Currency Term Deposit is the financial transactions are managed in accordance with Islamic law. An array of prominent currencies, including USD dollar, pound sterling, and Singapore dollars, allow investors to rigorously diversify their investment holding. Lastly, this financial canvas further safeguarded by each depositor's PIDM eligibility.
Current bank account is the account where customer can keep and withdraw their money. Affin Islamic Bank introduced Affin Invicta Account I. They are based on the Sharia principle of tawarruk or commodity murabahah. This concept clarifies that a specific Sharia compliance commodity will be known and used as a principal asset for the sale and purchases transaction between the bank and the customer. The benefit of Affin Invicta Account I is 24/7 access to online transaction via Affin Always. They also boost your saving with preference profits rate. Affin Invicta Account I also protect by PDIM up to 2,500 for each depositor.
Hi, my name is Izzat. So under the term deposit I in Affin Bank, which allow depositor to deposit their money to invest in the Sharia compliance. There are three concepts that are used in term deposit I in Affin Bank, which is tawarruk, wakalah and waqlu Sharia. So for tawarruk, this concept consists of two sell and purchase contract where the customer will purchase the specific Sharia compliant commodity from the commodity supplier at a purchase price and then sell to the bank at the market price. At the end, the bank will sell the commodity to the third party. For the wakalah, the bank will apply the dual agency mechanism in the contract itself. This is because the customer will appoint the bank as the customer's agent to purchase the commodity from the commodity supplier at a purchase price. And the last one, for the waqlu Sharia, the bank will undertake to subsequently purchase from the customer to a specific Sharia compliant commodity once completion of purchase of the commodity on behalf of the customer from a commodity supplier at a purchase price that are equivalent to the deposit amount.
there are few home financing that are Affin Islamic Bank invented, such as Affin Home Invest I, Affin Home Flexi Plus, Affin Tower Home Financing, Affin Home Building, Affin Home Builder I, Affin Home Steadfast, and last one is Affin Home Steadfast I.
Affin Education Financing I that are generally offered to the student that interested in pursuing their study in the selected local or private university. There are over 60 choices of college and university panel for this education financing I to be chosen. The Sharia concept used is based on ijarah, refer to a contract that transfer its ownership services for a specific period of time in exchange for a specific consideration. There are several benefits in this financing I, such as financing margin, financing tenure, financing amount, and also collateral.
Affin Islamic Bank Berhad is a Islamic financial institution that is providing fully Sharia compliant Islamic banking product and services. So the personal loan from Affin Islamic banks are unsecured. As a result, you do not require or the assistance of guarantor to apply for this loan. In addition, when compared to the other Islamic loan, this loan has the lowest annual profit rate. So this loan is available to those who works for government-linked companies, that is GLC, as well as private employees. So Affin Islamic Financing I provides lower loans of up to RM250,000 with terms of up 10 years. The annual profit rate change is a fixed rate of 5.50% per year. This personal loan is an appealing financing option. However, before you apply, you should be aware of the main condition imposed by Affin Islamic. You must state your main reason for requiring a loan. So this is because Affin Islamic provides this financing for a personal use in accordance with Sharia, not for you to splurge. Affin Personal Financing personal loan offer several features. That is 100% Sharia compliance, fixed and low, and then Affin Islamic flexible installment payment period. After that, no process charge. The last one is flexible repayment charge. So for the 100% Sharia compliant, it is not surprisingly this is loan Sharia compliant, given that Affin Islamic is financial institutions that practice Islamic banking. This loan employs the concept of Sharia Tawarruk, commodity of Murabahah, which is one of the recently introduced Islamic finance principle. And then for the fixed and low is profit rate. This loan is charged of 5.50%. PA is one of the lowest in our country when compared to other Islamic loans. The next one is Affin Islamic flexible installment payment periods. Allow you to repay the loan over a period 2 to 10 years. You have the options of extending the financing period. However, in some cases, Affin Islamic will determine the financing period. The next one is no process charge. If your loan application is approved, Affin Bank does not charge any processing fee because it is an Islamic loan. The last one is the flexible repayment channels. So there is a monthly salary deductions, auto debit through the bank only if the salary is deposited to Affin Islamic banks, or the standing instruction or standing order method through the bank of your choice are all of options.
So in Affin Bank Islamic offer an auto financing that being called Affin Islamic Vehicle Financing I, which will help customer to finance their vehicle by monthly installment. The ownership of the vehicle will only be transferred to the customer upon completion of the financing facility that are being given. So there are two Sharia contract used in Affin Islamic auto finance, which is Al-Ijarah Summa Al-Bait, which is called as ITAB, and Al-Ijarah. So for ITAB, there are two contracts that are being involved. The first contract is a leasing contract, and the second contract is a sales contract that are undertaken one after the another. For the Al-Ijarah contract is the hires the vehicle from the owner at an agreed rental over a specific period. Then the hirer enters into a leasing contract for the vehicle with the owner at an agreed price and during the hiring period. The banks all own the vehicle, therefore upon settlement of the rentals, a sales contract will be executed for the sale of the vehicle from the bank to the hirer.
So for the conclusion is, Islamic banks are here to stay, and there are signs that they will continue to grow and expand. Even if one does not subscribe to the Islamic injunction against the institutions of entrance, one may find in Islamic bankings some innovative idea which could add more variety to the existing financial networks. So, one of the main selling point of Islamic banking, at least in theory, is that unlike conventional banking, it is concerned about the viability of the projects and the profitability of the operations, but not the size of collateral. So it is especially in the sense that Islamic banks can play a